welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Shopify domain error that needs attention. First, ensure your A record is pointing to Shopify's IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. Next, if necessary, change the hostname to the @ symbol, which represents the root of your domain. Then check for any other A records associated with your domain. If there are additional A records, delete them to avoid conflicts. After that, update the CNAME record. Set the name to www and point it to shops.myshopify.com. It's important to note that multiple A records can cause issues. Make sure that your A record is correctly set to 23.227.38.65 to enable proper connection to Shopify. Please be aware that it might take up to 48 hours for your domain to be verified. Once verified, your domain will appear in the third-party domain section of the domains page with the status connected. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.